How to disable the recommended videos on YouTube application. Hello everyone, and let's get started. While there is no such direct option by which you can disable the recommended videos, but since the recommended videos are based on your watch history, then we can make some changes. So for this, open your YouTube and tap on the profile on the bottom right. After that, tap on the gear icon which is on the top right corner to open the settings. Here are different options from where you have to search for your data in YouTube. Tap on it and you will see all of your watch history as well as the history of your YouTube. Scroll down a bit and then tap on Manage Watch History. Once you tap on it, it'll land you to another page from where you can delete your watch history. This might not cause any disable of the recommended videos, but yet this action will disable YouTube features that rely on YouTube history, causing changes to your recommended videos as well. However, there's another way as well. For that, what you can do is just click on the video section or go back to the home page. Now, if you do not like a certain recommended video, just tap on the three dots right next to it. And then from here, tap on not interested, or you can simply tap on don't recommend channel. So these are the two ways by which you can somehow disable the recommended videos. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.